Hello guys, welcome to a new video. As promised, I'm gonna show you how to update your Ktag protocols to do a bit more cards than it does initially with the 225 that it comes with. For that we're gonna need basically what's in this folder, which is Ksuite 223, Ksuite 270, Ksuite 2.25, which is this one over here. Obviously that's the one that's gonna work and we're gonna use to read and write the ECUs, but we need the other two just for now to update the protocols. So first of all, we're gonna install this one, but before we do that we need to disable our internet connection. In my case, I'm gonna, because my one is wired, I'll disable it from here. If you're on Wi-Fi, probably you know how to do it, you don't need any help on that. And yeah, let's first of all, let me unpack this one. So we're gonna install this one, the Ksuite 2.23. All of this Visual C++. Right, don't worry about that one. So now minimize that. Go to properties, open file location. Now go to driver. That's been installed already, I guess. Yeah. Install the drivers. Okay, do that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, please. Right, so now we're gonna connect our Ktag. It's all connected. Ksuite 223. Right, so as you can see, it works. Now, next thing that we need to do, we can enable the internet at this point. Don't need to worry about that anymore. Now, what we're gonna need Ksuite 2.7. this, just delete this one. Okay, make sure the tool is disconnected. Now we open the folder, we go to driver again. For some reason, I know it seems the same driver, but sometimes it's playing games, so I prefer reinstalling the driver for each version of Ksuite. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure your cache is disconnected before you do this, yeah? Okay, cool. So we got that out of the way. Okay. I'm gonna connect the tool now. We open up the Ksuite. Now we're gonna open this just to update the protocols. We're not gonna be able to use Ksuite 2.7 on Ktag. We're still gonna use 2.25. So as you can see, it says updating families. On my one, it's been done already, so you might not see, but if it's a fresh one, you'll see the families updating and the protocols here. Oh, look, there you go. Right. Yeah, so basically what it's doing is updating all these. Takes a little bit. It depends on how fast is the system and your SD card and everything. But it doesn't take a million years anyway. Right, okay, cool. Obviously this is not gonna work as I said, but the protocols have been updated. So in this point we can bin this one, we don't need it anymore. We can install this, I'm gonna do that later. So obviously we're gonna concentrate on version 2.25, which is the working version. The one that, as I said, we're gonna use to read and write the ECUs. But now all the protocols are there. Well, I forgot to reinstall the drivers for this one, but it looks like it works, I think. Yeah, so open up. Alright, so we got these things here. Let's see, take a look. I don't know, BMW 1 Series. We got the Fs here. I'm not really sure if you have them initially in the with the protocols that came with, but yeah, there are quite a few of them added. So yeah, it's been tried, it works. I mean, whatever is new, it also works. So yeah, give it a try. It's not very hard to do. If you need the files, I can share them with you and email them. Just make sure you subscribe and maybe like the video and share it. That really helps me. Yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.